Today I want to tell you guys about my unforgettable moment. Oh, before I start the story, let me introduce myself. My name is Liliana Elisabeth from English class A. So, the moment that I cannot forget is PPKMB. I used to think that PPKMB was scary because of the news of TikTok, YouTube, and other social media said that during PPKMB the senior were noisy and mean, but it's not really like that. In my opinion, that time it's so fun. Yeah, even the PPKM is so tired, yeah, but the tiredness goes away because we doing it together, and maybe that time in PPKMB the senior is sometimes noisy, but I don't really problem with that because uh, I want fun. So in PPKMB, we held a seminar about health, about student exchange, and much more. We also introduced to UKM, organization, and available facility in UKI. We are also invited to tour the campus. In my opinion, the thing that impressed me the most, or it is the most interesting for me in PPKMB, is equipment or meet many people with various ethnicity and religion. So in PPKM we can also get know some people from other faculties. So basically I think PPKM is very effective for me and very fun for me. So yeah, that's my unforgettable moment. That's bye bye.